What the hell do you mean? No! You have to send someone now. I've checked everywhere. She's not in the house. Her TV's still on, but it doesn't look like she's been in the bed. Hello?
Sir, officers will get to you as fast as they can. We are getting a lot of calls because of the storm. Anything is possible during a nor'easter, so they say. The sky opens up, and the scalding blood of life pours down onto us all.
What?
What is your daughter's name?
What the hell is wrong with you? I told you! Lucy! Lucy Richardson! Please! Please, you have to find her!
I already found Lucy. Danny, she's with me now. After separating every socket, I devoured all the meat and bone. She's safe in my stomach. But I left you her head. It's right here. Say hi to Daddy. He's worried.
What? Lucy? Where are you? Lucy, I'm not mad. Just tell me where you are. Lucy?
Got you!
What is this?
Be quiet.
Lucy? What the? How did you? What the is going on? Get it together. Get it together. What the hell? Where am I? Lucy? Lucy. What? I didn't. Oh. What the? No, it's not real. It's not real. Okay. What the hell are you? What have you done with my daughter?
Nobody but me and you.
Jesus! I got him, but it's too late for the kid. He butchered her. Yep, he's infected with this thing, like the rest. We definitely have some kind of bug.